Pinuri ni Police Brigadier General Rodrigo Atienza Maranan, Regional Director ng Police Regional Office 3, ang ating mga kapulisan sa mapayapang paggunita ng undas sa rehiyon ng Central Luzon.
Itong nakaraang undas, I made my inspection and I saw that indeed our personnel of Pro3 from the Police Provincial Office down to the smallest police station were really dedicated and passionate in doing their job. And as a result of your tireless effort and for being always alert and ready, we have surpassed undas with flying colors. And I say it is one of the most peaceful undas nationwide. And for
mismong sa araw ng traditional Monday flag raising ceremony, ginanapang naturang pagpupuri. Pinangunahan ito ng ama ng kapulisan ng Gitnang Luzon upang pahalagahan ang bawat sakripisyo at paghahatid ng serbisyo ng ating mga pulisya. Dagdag sa mensahe ni Police Brigadier General Maranan na mas palalawakin nito ang police presence, patrolling, PNP outposts at PNP checkpoints upang mas mapanatili ang kaayusan ng kanyang rehiyon at masiguro ang kaligtasan ng ating mamamayan. Kasabay nito ay pinarangalan ni RD Pro3 ang ilang PNP personnel sa kanilang natatanging paggawa sa pagpapatupad ng batas.
As we continue to serve, let us remain firmly focused on our mission to be a reliable and trustworthy force for the people. Let's keep our momentum by staying disciplined, vigilant, and unwavering in each task, knowing that every effort contributes to a safer region and stronger connection with the communities we serve.
Mula dito sa City of San Fernando, Pampanga, ang inyong PNN correspondent, Police Corporal Gisalvi Rivera, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng Balitang Pulis.